everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe because, like, listen, I'm showing you the easy way out. You feel me? Most people want to spend a lot of money. Not on here, not on this channel, because I ain't finna spend that much. As you guys see by the title, I have a Temu unbox or unpackage or whatever. I got a ton of makeup. I got some skincare stuff. I got some eyeliner. Like, this is stuff that I know for a fact that I need. I was running low on, so I was like, why not try it? My aunt and my best friend told me about it, and so yeah. But anyway, so yeah, let's get into the video. So this is my package that I got. It's very, very heavy. Open this and I'm just gonna start pulling and see what we have, okay? I got a ton of stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead because I don't want this video to be long. Me being me, I don't have any eyebrows. It's not by choice. This is what God gave me. So I don't have any eyebrows, so I'm having to draw some. I saw that they had a box with 12 eyeliners in it. You cannot beat that. This is perfect. I got a brown and I got a black. All right, so this is the black. Whoa, this black is so dark. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. It's so dark. Ah, it's perfect. I was so scared. So let me check out the brown. All right, brown. Ugh. Okay. Yo. This is so perfect. This is great. This is first one is a yes for me. You get 12 eyeliners. I got 12 brown. I got 12 black. You cannot beat that. And you see the price? To the next one. All right, so this, I know I only got one palette. This is a contour palette. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. This is gonna be great. This is great. All right, so I picked out two things, but I'm just gonna open one at a time. This is a different kind of eyebrow eyeliner or whatever. I kind of want to try it out. Wow. Oh, your girl about to have some eyebrows, hair. It's that right there. All right, so what we have here is liquid lipstick. I put a little on top of what I have on. It's between a nude and a light pink. I like it. So now I have this lipstick again. So yeah, I got tons of lipstick. Let me try it. Not on my lips, but I'm gonna try it on my, oh wow. That is so bright. Can you see that? I think that suits me right there, that color. Yeah, that's really pretty. All right, so let's try something else. I needed some concealer. I don't know what color I got, but you know what? We are going to look and see what I got. Yes! And it's gonna cover all the dark spots. That's most definitely a yes. All right, so let's go ahead and try this foundation. I'm so scared to try this, mainly because I like to pick my foundation in person. I have to do it over the internet, y'all. I don't know if this is my color. I don't know if I nailed it or if I failed it. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, this is good. Okay. I'm not disappointed. I'm not disappointed at all. All right, so since that foundation was everything, I have to try the next foundation. I know this already. This is not my color, but it's okay. Yeah, you guys, this is a light color, and I'm not for sure if I'm liking that or not. All right, so I don't want you guys to judge me, but I ended up getting a lip gloss plumping I already have some big lips. I don't know what I was thinking. I just wanted to try to wipe off my lip gloss. What if my lips fall off? Huh. Oh, wait a minute. Yo! Why does it put me in the mind of motor oil? How much do I put on, I wonder? Okay, I can tell you right off the bat right now, it's tingling, burning, or something. We gonna check back in the next, wow, it's tingling. We're gonna check back in the next 5 minutes. So let's look at some more makeup. Yo, this stuff is like really burning. Is this normal? Okay, I don't have to show you guys this. This is, remember the individual stroking eyebrows. That's what that is. Oh, my lips are burning. On to the next. This is a light lip dew. I will not put anything else on my lips that's coming out of this bag. I feel like I'm about to sweat. Lip gloss. This is so pretty. Okay, I think I'm about to take this off my lip, y'all. Ain't no way this is supposed to be burning like this. I'm about to cry. This burns bad. Oh, it's burning. Oh, it's burning. I'm about to slide. Why did I do this? Oh my God, why did it cover the instructions up? Oh, I'm literally in tears right now. Oh, I'm in tears. This is so crazy to me. I need some ice. Do I need to pause this video? Hey, the product right here, this is no joke. You gotta be a strong individual for that. I'm not joking. I'm not playing. I'm not joking. All jokes aside, baby. Lip plumper. I'd rather go get shots in my lips than to wear that, to do that. Moving along. So this is the shades. So I can't afford the real deal Holyfield, the Balenciaga shades. So, you know, we gotta have the dupe somewhere. Cream shades, but yes, there you go. Alright, so more foundation. I saw this, I saw the review and I was very amazed at what they were saying. So of course I wanted to try it. So it comes out white. And then you will have to just like rub it in to get your color, which is, you know, I'm a brown. So you would just like, it smells like lotion a little bit. So you would just literally rub it in. It turns it like into a matte color, like your skin tone into a matte color. It's like a foundation that comes out white, but it adjusts to your skin color. So I wouldn't technically say it's like a foundation, my color, but everybody can wear that. I want to. So we have here some more lipstick. It's a matte lipstick. I don't know what color I got. It's pretty and it dried up so quick. I like it. I really like that. Alright, taupe foundation. Let's go. This is my color. Whoa, it might be my skin tone. But I will try this on my hand. Let's rub it in. Oh yeah, that's my color. This is yeah, the way it feels, it looks like it's drying up and it's gonna stay. That's what I need. I need a foundation that's gonna last a long time. So the last makeup I have is this concealer. I'm normally, with concealers, you usually push it out of a tube, right? This, you will just like simply get a little bit. I mean, if you want to put some on your hand and just dab it underneath, that's great. So let me just get a little sample of it. Oh, you're not gonna leak. Oh God, you're not gonna need a lot. I just got a little bit. This is a little tube, but it should last a long time. So we are done with the makeup. Now, let's move to the skincare. So I've seen everybody have this brush where they apply like a face mask. So I got me one and I'm super duper excited to apply something on my face. It don't even matter. I'm just ready to swipe. Speaking of mask, this is a mask. This is a green tea cooling cleansing mud mask. Whoa, wow. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh yeah. I ended up getting this pomegranate fresh brightening face serum. This, okay. It smells like paint. I'm still gonna try it just to see if it will work, and I really, really hope it does. I have another mask. This is a Turmeric clay mask. Oh, that's so cute. Why are the face masks small? So last two things, dark spot removals. With this one, it's a corrector cream. Let's see. It's really, I don't know. This is the same company that did it. This is a dark spot corrector cream as well. This is a 25% multi-intense active bleaching. Oh wow, that's why I got it, because I feel like it will work very well. So I got this one and this one. That is pretty much it, you guys. This did not disappoint me at all. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching my unbox. Also thank you so much to 𝒹𝒶𝒸𝒶. This lip scrub along with this lip gloss. So in love with 𝒹𝒶𝒸𝒶. Make sure you guys go on the website, use my code XOXOXO for a 30% off. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. I want you to comment too, like, show some love. I am out and I'm about to try my products. I'm finna do me a face mask. Thank you guys.